SERV stock analysis tomorrow, Friday and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So with Serve, this is what my ideal looked like, and after I got a double break, this unfortunately came back, hit my SL. Therefore, this is going to be recorded as a -1R, which pretty much means that this is like an L. And I mean, it's fine. I mean, it's obviously fine. Sometimes it's going to be part of the process and part of the game, but nonetheless, if the price pulls deeper and gives me the rules like this, only then I'd still pretty much buy. I honestly think like I could have waited for a deeper pullback, but you know, sometimes you're going to have L's, and it's just part of the game. You cannot avoid losses. They need to happen in order to get the wins, and that's approximately it. This is a great dub. This is a -1R. So if the price pulls deeper and gives me the rules, only then I'd still buy. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using, check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye, enjoy, and have a wonderful day.